If you have a very specific question, here's a list of topic and times in this video. WhatMountain uses two different positions. One of them is the flat position, where I can see the map and the controls. The other is the panoramic position, where I can see the mountains in front of me. Start with your iPhone in the flat position. Tap Calculate for Here to create a view of your current location. WhatMountain will show you what data you have in red and allow you to download more if need be. If things are okay, tap Continue. WhatMountain will now calculate the mountain profiles. The flat position shows you a map. The upright position shows you the mountains. Tap on the name of a peak for more information about it. Tap on the Save button to save images of the maps and profiles to your photo library. WhatMountain comes preloaded with data for the White Mountains of New Hampshire, but you can download data for any location in Canada, the US, and Mexico. For most locations, you will need to download data. In this case, I'm near the border of two regions, so I'll download both. Tap the regions you want, then tap Download. The data comes from the U.S. Geological Survey website. The files are big, but highly compressed within WhatMountain. We recommend downloading the data ahead of time when you have a reliable internet connection. The data will be cached on your iPhone, where you can manage it. Start with your iPhone in the flat control position. Tap Other Location. There are 4 ways to set the location. You can enter the longitude and the latitude numerically. Or you can select a location from your history. Or you can select a location based on a photo. There are more details on how to do that later on in this video. Finally, you can find a location with WhatMountain's database. First, set the country, and then dial in the state or province. Then, start typing in the name of the place, and WhatMountain will try to match it with what it has in its database. Select your choice, and then tap Go. You get 5 free trials of Live View and Photo View, but eventually you will want to buy the upgrade. To upgrade, in the flat control mode, tap Settings and Information. Then tap Upgrade. WhatMountain will check the connection to the App Store. For more information, tap the question mark. Now tap the Purchase Restore button. You are now interacting with the App Store for the actual purchase. In this case, I have already purchased the upgrade and the restore will be free. Note, the upgrade button is now replaced by Upgrade is installed. Remember, if you have already purchased the upgrade, the App Store will not take your money. It will tell this app to restore the upgrade for free. Upgrading is also a good way to support WhatMountain. Please consider upgrading and supporting this project. One of the new features of WhatMountain is that it can overlay mountain profiles on a live image from the iPhone's camera. Once you have mountain profiles in the panoramic mode, tap the eye icon to turn on the camera. The internal compass and tilt meter in an iPhone may need adjustment. A good way to do this is to first freeze the image with the snowflake icon button. Now you can tweak the compass with the horizontal slider and the tilt meter with the vertical slider. Then you can turn off the freeze mode and view the skyline. Another new feature of WhatMountain is the ability to overlay mountain profiles on photographs. There are a few ways to load the photos and tweak their orientation. From the control menu, tap Other Location. Now tap Photo. This will open your iPhone's photo library. Now select your photo. Many JPEGs, including this one, contain GPS information, so WhatMountain can immediately use it. You change your viewpoint by changing your physical orientation. Here I'm using an old photo without GPS information. WhatMountain lets you enter the numbers directly. Later, we can tweak them. A little shortcut. If a photo is from a known location, look up that place first. Then select your photo. And then import the latitude and longitude from the known location. Often you will find that you want to tweak the orientation of a photo to better match the mountain profile. In the history list, locations with photos are marked with the camera icon. Tap the Photo Adjustment button to open the Photo Tweaker panel. There are 6 parameters you can tweak. First, you can adjust the tilt angle of your viewpoint. Next, you can adjust the rotation angle of the photograph. You can also enter these numbers directly. You can adjust the direction that you're facing. You can set the field of view, which tends to compress or stretch the photograph. You can move the toggle left and right, forward and backward to change the position of your viewpoint. Finally, for a more accurate profile, you should periodically tap the Recalculate button. This will also save your adjustments to your history list. WhatMountain uses elevation data from the U.S. Geological Survey. You may want to add new data or delete old data before you go off to the mountains. Tap the Manage Data button. Red squares are where you already have data. You can pinch and pan the map to get to a new region where you'd like to download some new data. When you find your region, tap the Select button. Now, select the individual regions that you want data for. Now hit Download. To delete data, select blocks that you want deleted and then Delete. Tap To Oldest to center on the oldest block on your iPhone. In Settings, you control how elevation data blocks are used. You can set it to use only the center or neighboring blocks of data. You can also control if a block is automatically downloaded. And you can control when old blocks are deleted. Finally, WhatMountain has a lot of information and how-tos built right into it.